Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one that is about sin x and sin x squared. The next one we can use about the formula in here. So because we have sin x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 gone here, and u equals to number 0. So number 0 we change for number 1. b over 2 we change for number 0. Cosine x, that is about u, and that is about u squared. This one that is about u. Sin x dx we change for negative du. So we need to expand this one. Next, we need to expand this one. So we have like this. So this one we cancel. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The next one, that is about u squared over number 2. So because this one that is about number 1, so we put number 1 go in here, and 1 plus 1 we have number 2. The next one that is about number 4 and number 5. So we put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 0 gone here. And number 1 gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have 23 over 10. And this is the final answer. Number 13, sorry. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.